If you're dreaming of a career where you can earn money from anywhere in the world, you've tuned into the right place. Today, we're exploring the 10 best freelance jobs for making money online. Whether you're new to freelancing or looking to diversify your income streams, these opportunities can help you achieve financial freedom and a fulfilling career. Let's dive in. 1. Graphic designer. Kicking off our list is the vibrant world of graphic design. With the ever-growing need for visual content, graphic designers are in high demand. This role involves creating everything from logos and brand identities to social media graphics and marketing materials. Why it's great. Graphic design offers a lot of flexibility and creativity. You can work on diverse projects, from crafting a new logo for a startup to designing a marketing campaign for an established brand. Plus, the rise of digital marketing means there's a continuous need for fresh, engaging visuals. Getting started. To succeed, you'll need a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. Tools like Adobe Creative Suite, Sketch, and Canva are industry standards that can help you create professional quality designs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs are excellent places to find freelance gigs. Networking on LinkedIn or joining design communities can also open doors to new opportunities. Tips for success. Stay updated on design trends and continuously refine your skills. Specializing in a niche, such as UX/UI design or illustration, can also help you stand out. 2. Freelance writer. Next up is freelance writing, a field perfect for those who love words and storytelling. As a freelance writer, you can craft content for blogs, websites, articles, and marketing materials. The demand for quality content is growing, making this a lucrative and flexible career option. Why it's great. Freelance writing offers a variety of projects, from technical writing and copywriting to creative storytelling. You can choose to specialize in niches such as technology, health, finance, or lifestyle, which allows you to work on topics you're passionate about. Getting started. Building a solid portfolio is crucial. Start by writing for blogs or websites that offer guest posting opportunities. Platforms like Writer's Work, ProBlogger, and TextBroker connect writers with clients seeking content. Consider creating your own blog or website to showcase your writing and attract potential clients. Tips for success. Develop a strong understanding of SEO and content marketing. Being able to write engaging and optimize content will make you more appealing to clients. 3. Data analyst. In a data-driven world, data analysts are crucial for helping businesses make informed decisions. As a freelance data analyst, you'll work with data sets to uncover trends, generate reports, and provide actionable insights. Why it's great. This role is perfect for those who enjoy working with numbers and problem solving. Data analysts are needed across various industries, including finance, healthcare, and marketing. Getting started. Familiarize yourself with tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau. Websites like TopTal and FlexJobs offer freelance data analysis opportunities. Building a strong portfolio with case studies and project samples will help demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Tips for success. Stay updated on the latest data analysis tools and techniques. Being able to interpret and present data effectively is key to succeeding in this field. 4. Social media manager. With the rise of social media, the role of social media managers has become indispensable. If you have a knack for crafting engaging posts and strategies to boost online presence, this could be the perfect freelance job for you. Why it's great. Social media managers handle content creation, scheduling, and community engagement for brands. This role offers a dynamic and creative work environment where you can see the direct impact of your efforts on a brand's online presence. Getting started. Gain experience by managing social media accounts for small businesses or nonprofits. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social can help streamline your work. Look for opportunities on job boards like Indeed and Simply Hired, or directly approach companies that might need social media assistance. Tips for success. Stay on top of social media trends and algorithm changes. Developing skills in analytics and understanding what content resonates with different audiences will set you apart. 5. Web developer. Web development is a thriving field with numerous opportunities. As a freelance web developer, you'll be responsible for building and maintaining websites. This role offers flexibility and the chance to work on a variety of projects. Why it's great. Web development allows you to work on both front-end and back-end projects. Whether you're building a sleek user interface or developing complex server-side functionalities, there's always something new to learn and create. Getting started. Master essential languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and possibly backend languages like Python or PHP. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are great for finding web development projects. Consider building your own website or portfolio to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Tips for success: keep your skills up to date with the latest technologies and frameworks. Participating in coding communities and contributing to open source projects can also help you build your reputation. 6. Video and audio editor. With the explosion of video content on platforms like YouTube and social media, skilled video and audio editors are in high demand. If you have an eye for detail and a passion for storytelling through visuals and sound, this might be the career for you. Why it's great. This role allows you to work on diverse projects, from YouTube videos and podcasts to promotional content and feature films. The creative process of editing can be highly rewarding and enjoyable. Getting started. Learn to use editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or Audacity. Build a portfolio by working on personal projects or collaborating with content creators. Websites like Behance and Mandy are good platforms to find freelance editing gigs. Tips for success: focus on developing a unique editing style and learning advanced techniques. Building strong relationships with content creators and studios can lead to consistent work. 7. Online tutor or coach. Education is increasingly moving online, creating opportunities for those who are knowledgeable in specific subjects or skills to teach others. Whether you're an academic tutor or a personal development coach, online teaching can be both fulfilling and profitable. Why it's great. As an online tutor or coach, you can work with students from around the world. This role offers flexibility in terms of schedule and the ability to focus on subjects you're passionate about. Getting started. Determine your area of expertise and target audience. Platforms like VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Teachable offer opportunities for online educators. You can also set up your own tutoring business through social media and networking. Tips for success: develop engaging and interactive lesson plans. Building a reputation through positive reviews and referrals can help you grow your client base. 8. Project manager. Freelance project managers are crucial for keeping projects on track and ensuring they meet deadlines. If you have strong organizational skills and enjoy coordinating tasks and teams, this role might be perfect for you. Why it's great. Project management offers the chance to work on diverse projects across various industries. You'll be responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects, which can be both challenging and rewarding. Getting started. Familiarize yourself with project management tools like Asana, Trello, and Jira. Look for opportunities on freelance platforms like Freelancer, Guru, and People Per Hour. Building a solid portfolio with examples of successful projects can help attract clients. Tips for success: develop strong communication and leadership skills. Being organized and detail-oriented will help ensure that projects are completed efficiently and successfully. 9. Content strategist. Content strategists help businesses develop and manage their content to achieve their marketing goals. This role involves planning, creating, and overseeing content strategies to ensure they align with the overall business objectives. Why it's great. Content strategists work at the intersection of marketing and content creation. This role allows you to use your creativity and analytical skills to drive business success. Getting started. Gain experience by working on content projects or offering your services to small businesses. Platforms like Glassdoor and content strategy communities can help you find opportunities. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your strategies and results will be crucial. Tips for success: stay updated on content marketing trends and best practices. Understanding your client's business and audience will help you create effective and impactful content strategies. 10. Digital marketer. Last on our list is digital marketing, a diverse field with many freelance opportunities. Digital marketers help businesses enhance their online presence through various strategies, including SEO, PPC, email marketing, and social media campaigns. Why it's great. Digital marketing is a dynamic field with opportunities to work on different types of campaigns and strategies. The results of your work are often measurable, which can be highly rewarding. Getting started. Learn the fundamentals of digital marketing and consider getting certified through programs like Google Skillshop or HubSpot Academy. Platforms like Upwork and Hubstaff Talent offer freelance digital marketing roles. Building a portfolio with successful campaigns can help you stand out. Tips for success: stay current with digital marketing trends and algorithm updates. Understanding analytics and being able to adapt strategies based on data will help you deliver successful campaigns. Summary. And there you have it. 10 best freelance jobs for making money online. From graphic design to digital marketing, each of these freelance careers offers unique opportunities and challenges. The key to success in freelancing is leveraging your skills, building a strong portfolio, and continuously learning and adapting. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on freelancing and online work.